Matt Day here with Parsons, Graham, and Day. I want to take a second to talk about the Trump verdict. As you're aware, Donald Trump found liable to E. Jean Carroll for the rape, right? Close to like $500 million. And he's appealing that. Now, I want to tie it back into something that happens in Oklahoma and most states. The federal courts have this. When you're going to appeal a money judgment, frequently they will force you to post a bond or place the judgment amount with the court clerk, right? So essentially securing money for the victor pending the appeal, okay? Now, what's interesting about that is once you've got that verdict, interest can start to accrue, judgment interest. So every year, Oklahoma Supreme Court evaluates what the judgment interest should be, okay? And they set that out. This happens in other courts as well. So right now, my understanding based off of the math is that the judgment amount for Miss Carroll is accruing at like $17 a second. $17 a second, which means that by the end of a year, it's about $500 million in just interest on the judgment, okay? Which is why I think Mr. Trump is having difficulty finding someone to place the bond, because essentially that judgment amount is going to double by the end of a year, and then obviously it'll go up by another $500 million after a second year. $17 a second. It's huge. And that's why he's having difficulty with the appeal, which is why he's asking the court to waive the need to have that bond so that he can take on that appeal and file that appeal and get that moving. The purpose of this video is to be informative and not to provide legal advice. For legal advice, call a law firm and speak to an attorney about your particular case. None of the information provided in here is meant to establish the attorney-client relationship between Parsons, Graham, and Day and anyone watching this video.